Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another movie review and I might be late on this, but it's probably because everyone else was just too early because this was just such a good movie. Like you can see it in the trailer. It was made by the same people who made like the animated Spider-Man movie, and from that I think everyone knew that it was going to be really good. Now I'm just going to tell you what happens in the trailer because I don't want to spoil the movie at all, because I've already watched it like 4 times and I loved it and I am not getting tired of it, and I doubt that you will too. So it's basically like a K-pop band of three girls called Huntrix, and they basically hunt demons. Right? I'm not going to get into the specifics because you have to figure that out yourself when you watch the movie. And the villain is basically making now a K-pop demon boy band that they now have to defeat, which are going after their fans to steal their souls. Now it is an absolutely banger movie, I'm telling you. The last song that the K-pop demon boy band sings, it has literally topped the Billboard charts, like top 10. It has passed BTS records, and you cannot believe it. I am listening to all of these songs on repeat, and I know that you will love it too. I mean, who won't? Like, my dad literally watched it and he loved it, and if that didn't convince you, that I don't know what will, because this is just a movie you have to watch. Like, you cannot put it off. Like, I put it off for too long. Like, you know what, that's all I have to say. This movie is leaving everyone speechless, and everyone wants a part 2, and I know after watching it you will too, because it leaves so many things unfinished, and I know they definitely left that for part 2, and everyone wanted a series so badly. I want a series of this now. Like, come on, it's so good. So that's all I'm going to say. This is amazing and you need to give it a watch. It is an 11 out of 10. If I could give it more, I would. And just for information, it's 4.8 out of 5, not 10. It is absolutely amazing, and it's literally Netflix's top 7 in kids right now. And I know it will climb those charts soon enough. So goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Go watch this. K-pop Demon Hunters.